welcome to my channel. The concept of today's video is to take a basic clothing item and style it in different ways. Here I have taken a white full sleeved crop t-shirt and I've created various outfits out of it that you can spot on everyday basis. I hope you will find it helpful. If you like it, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below your favorite look. Hi everyone, the first look is the most comfortable and laid back look. Here I've teamed this white shirt with yoga pants and sliders. I've worn plaid shirt over it and completed the look with a cute black backpack. This look is perfect when you're out and about running errands all day. Both the slippers combined together says lazy over it, which completely defines the look. To change your look a little, just take your flannel and tie it around your waist. Just a simple change can give you a new look altogether. This look has really sporty vibes to it. For the third look, I took the same shirt. You can take any oversized shirt you have. In this look, I've teamed this white shirt with black denims with slashed knees and checkered flats. Wear this shirt with one shoulder off for a different look. To achieve this look, unbutton the last two buttons of the shirt, tie a knot and tuck this knot inside. I've completed the look with a black choker to give it some edge. This is a perfect outfit when you're not in the mood for bright colors, because what defines neutrals better than black, white and grey, right? This combination always looks very subtle yet stylish. I've paired this white shirt with black denims and wore a grey long shrug over it. For accessories, I wore this classic black belt with silver buckle and layered a black choker with a silver Deathly Hallows necklace from Harry Potter. Completed the look with the black and white flats. This is one of my favorite look out of all the looks. If you can't wear a spaghetti top because of some dress code or you're not comfortable with it, worry not, because you can always wear it over a t-shirt or a top like I have worn in this video. I love this combination of yellow and grey because these colors balance out each other. For this outfit, I wore this yellow top over my white shirt and paired it with charcoal grey pants. The look is completed with the same black and white flats. You can also tie a knot on your outer top to give it a more form-fitting look. The outfit is completely upgraded with this small step. These flats are the most versatile shoes I've ever owned. Also, all the details regarding each outfit will be mentioned in the description bar, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel.